It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. Hey, good people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer at the Furaha Method of Joyful Design. By the way, Furaha means joyful in Swahili. I'm thrilled that you're joining me today. When you get a chance, please hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithms, and it helps me to reach women all over the globe. In this video, I'm giving you the tips to help you style your Afro Boho bedroom the custom on a budget way. The Afro Boho design style can be designed using both colorful bohemian or neutral boho. And you guessed it, colorful bohemian is bold, lush color, while neutral boho are cool tones that give you that cool, serene sanctuary vibe. I really enjoy designing using the Afro Boho design style because of the 5 main characteristics. 1, an appreciation for artistry, craftsmanship, and individuality. 2, honoring one's heritage and legacy. 3, the use of bold, vibrant colors along with carefully curated neutrals for balance. 4, the harmony created from combining eclectic, complementary pieces. 5, blending modern, ethnic, and classic vintage furnishings and decor. There are many elements to the Afro Boho design style, but these 5 main characteristics you will find in any Afro Boho designed room. Now let's jump into some styling tips. First up, the bed. Beds can go in many directions. Currently, platform beds are really popular. My main tip is you want to have a headboard. No headboardless beds. The headboard frames the bed and really sets the stage for it to be a focal point. Whether you use pleather or wood or a fabric covered headboard, you need a headboard. After the bed, you need your dressers and your side tables. Here's some options. Thrifted items are a great choice for the Afro Boho design style. I love to say thrifted pieces give the room character. In fact, you should have something old in the room, older than you, that is. This Moroccan-inspired bamboo dresser was a fantastic find. It would go perfectly in any Afro Boho design bedroom. You can go funky and classic with Afro Boho. This leather mid-century modern dresser and this glass-topped side table would be the wow factor in any room. And don't forget about paint. You can paint a thrifted or vintage piece and give it a new life. My favorite paint product, Valspar's Cabinet and Furniture Oil-Enriched Enamel Paint. You can refresh your furniture and your Afro Boho look in a single weekend. Of course, there's always new purchases. Online shopping is a great way to get the custom on a budget look. Check out Wayfair, Overstock, and even Amazon. You gotta have something comfy, cozy for the tootsies. I love rugs. The beauty of the Afro Boho design style is it can accommodate a wide variety of floor coverings. Your rug can do the job of pulling together the entire color story in your room. And don't sleep on a thrifted rug. I picked up this Crate and Barrel flat weave rug for just $100. And you can always do rug on rug. This leather chevron flat weave area rug adds a pop to this wall-to-wall carpeting. Everyone loves to have seating in the bedroom. I know you do too. Just let me know in the comments section below. One of the most popular ways to add seating is with a bench at the end of your bed. If you don't have a lot of space, try a smaller crisscross bench. Great seating option. And you can always go with a classic accent chair in a variety of materials and patterns. I paid $5 for this classic vintage bamboo chair, took it home, got busy, and recovered it with a remnant of mud cloth. Now, This baby would be great seating in any Afro Boho style bedroom. I didn't forget the walls. Nope, here we go. Of course you can paint your walls. It's the quickest, cheapest way to transform a room. But for the Afro Boho style, I suggest you go with wallpaper. In fact, grass cloth wallpaper. Grass cloth has a divine texture and brings a natural element into the room. Plus, it comes in such a wide variety of colors and patterns. If you're going to DIY your grass cloth wallpaper, I suggest you do your research so you get it done right. But if DIY isn't your thing, go ahead and hire the professional. Grass cloth isn't the only wallpaper I recommend. You can't beat peel and stick wallpaper for cost and for wow factor. If you love that brick look but don't have a brick to be found in your home, go ahead and use this faux brick wallpaper from Amazon. Easy to install in a single day. There's so many wonderful wallpaper options to create an accent wall or maybe even do an entire room in wallpaper. This vintage pineapple wallpaper could work wonderfully in a neutral toned Afro Boho design style bedroom. Oh, it's time for the bedding and the soft goods. What's a bedroom without the softest, comfiest, welcoming bedding and pillows? I know people either love lots of pillows or they hate them. I think of pillows and bedding as the jewelry you would put with a great outfit. For decor and lighting, once again, don't sleep on the thrift store. I thrifted this $10 Moroccan-inspired mirror, gave it a custom paint job, and voila, dope artwork. The ginger pot lamp is a wonderful lamp base for the Afro Boho design style. You can get them in a wide variety of colors and patterns. Here, I chose this yummy shade of spicy orange. Decor is where you really give your room personality. Remember to use plants and wall art. Rattan pieces, wonderful in the Afro Boho design rooms. Using flat woven baskets and hanging them on the wall gives the room texture and movement. I want you to think of using decor as your opportunity to fill your room with things you absolutely love. What are you taking from this video that you're going to add to your Afro Boho style bedroom? Let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to check out my Afro Boho design style guide. I dropped the link in the description box below. If you enjoy HGTV style shows, be sure to check out my show DIY Duo Redesign here on my channel. It's full of custom on a budget wow factor. The link to the show is in the description box below. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget, hit the like and the subscribe button. It helps me reach women all over the globe. I'll see you in the next video.